Morning light falls on your chair. Empty space, but you're still there. In the quiet of this room, I still feel your gentle bloom. You stay where they care for you, so your tired days pass through. But each time you walk back home, I don't feel so alone. You don't say much anymore, but hear you like before. In the silence, soft and true, I still live because of you. Slow your steps, I walk with you like you